Welcome back everybody to Express. We're going to be guiding you through the starting of a blog into your Shopify store. A blog can be a powerful tool to engage with your customers, improve your CEO, and provide valuable content. Whether you are new to Shopify or looking to expand your store capabilities, this guide is going to be helpful for you. Let's dive into the world of Shopify blogging. So first of all, the importance of the blogging on the e-commerce. Before we start, let's talk about the blogging is essential for your Shopify store. A blog can actually help you to drive organic traffic, help establish the branding voice, and create more touch points with your customers. A well-maintained blog can significantly enhance your store online presences. So, accessing the blog feature in Shopify. First of all, let's log into our Shopify store. What you wanted to do is to navigate into your online store section. Once you are in here, let's focus into the section that says blogged post. Here you will find the options to manage and create your new blogs. Shopify allows you to manage multiple blogs which can be used for different content themes. So let's say for example that I want to be creating my very first blog post. To start your blog, click on the create or add blog post, enter a compelling title and begin writing your content. Let's say the best products. You can format your text, add images, and even insert links to products and other pages. Remember, engaging and informative content is key to a success blog. Now, it's going to be really important, guys, that if you wanted to add, let's say, for example, stuff about your store, images, videos, tables, and much more, you don't want to edit the content in here directly, but to do it into the actual online performance. Organize your blog by categorizing your post. You can create categorized based on topic like news, tips, product updated. This make it easier for readers to navigate and find relevant content. Go once again back into blog post. You can see that we have this directly into news. You can go into the view post, or what I can do is to go into manage my blogs. Here, what I can do is to add a new blog. And here the title, let's say for example, let's go for recommendations. Now customizing the blog settings. Customize your blog settings to match your brand, adjust the blog's layout, add a featured image, and set up the SEO parameters like media titles and description. The good SEO practices are crucial for increasing your blog's visibility in search engines. If I go directly into my navigation, I want to make sure that directly into my main menu, I do have the menu item. Here into menu, let's go for blog. Search paste, let's go for blogs, and I choose recommendations. So there you have it. As you can see, here's the title, here's the image, and this is the part where you wanted to add information about your product. So I have, for example, the feature image, the title, the content. So here into content, what I want to do is to add a new blog. And there you go. This is something that we had created, a blog for the best home decor ideas. So I think that we have done something really great so far. Here into the button label, let's go for shop our home decors. And here into the first button linked, I'm going to send them into the products, all products, and hit now into save. Lastly, what you wanted to do is to verify how it's going to be looking here. Just go into the three dots, hit into view. Here is our store. I'm going to hit into my blog and go into the home decors. As you can see, we have something really great so far. And there you have it, guys. Once you're happy with your post and the blog settings, here it's going to be much more easier later on. If this Shopify blog tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe to the Express for more e-commerce tips. Do you have any questions you're blogging about? Blogging on Shopify? Let us know into the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and happy blogging. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help grow your online businesses. Hopefully we can all see you guys next time.